Well, hello guys. This morning I'm going to show you Four Knob Hill, the cabin. So this is the view from the front yard. So we're doing a little bit of cleaning, but you see Deer Valley Mountains, uh, of course the canyons and Park City. But it's a pretty cool place to relax and chill after a long day. This is the exterior. Side, and the back side that is overlooking Glenwild. So you have a little balcony there. Now I'm gonna walk inside the house so you can really appreciate the chalet feel of it. So welcome in. So we have steps here to go upstairs, and the dining room with wood-burning fireplace. Like you can see, there's a lot of views. I left one window, the blind open, but it's all around. And here's the kitchen with stove, gas stove, and the mud room here. And on my way to here, I'm just going, this is the basement entrance, but I want to show you the master bedroom with California king bed, super deluxe, beautiful, and a double closet here. You know, it's very homey, and it feels good. One bathroom. I'm going to show you downstairs before I head upstairs, because I'm right here. Let's turn the lights on. So I have, well, I call it a game room, I think. Big living room, brand new carpets. And you can play with this. And here is the laundry room with a toilet. And we have another room here, bedroom with bunk beds. It's pretty large, so we have another bed that we could put together or just take it out depending on what you're looking for, what you need. Okay, so upstairs, and again, it comes furnished or not. Here, I would take the couch from downstairs and just put it here. Very cozy, very roomy. And one last thing to show you. I have to mention, we're about 7,000, well, maybe 6,800 elevation in Park City. It's easy to get a little bit out of breath for a second. And one pretty large bedroom here with double closet. And again, overlooking the mountains. And the last bedroom overlooking the high Uintas. And I just passed the bathroom, the second full bathroom. That's it for today, guys. Thanks.